how to update firmware in the impedance spectrometer, phytosensor and biosensor devices. This process consists of two steps. In the first step, you need to enter in the bootload mode, and in the second step to update the firmware. It is really important to make sure that power supply is not interrupted during the firmware update process. So I will demonstrate this firmware update by embedded version of impedance spectrometer. What I have here on my table, there is blue box. The same blue box has a phytosensor, so in most cases. And here you can see application directory. First, I start client programs, so 1.3 and 1.4. They have the same functionality, but they look a little bit different. So I connect the device, and here in the output I check the current version, what is already installed in the device. This is version 46. In 1.4 version, approach is the same. First I connect, then I enable top output, check the version of the firmware, 46, and then in the top system there is a button update firmware. In 1.3 the same button here, and I press it. Entering in the bootload mode is indicated by this blue light LEDs here in the water container. And this LED has also a specific blinking pattern. And you also hear this double beep sound. You can leave this mode by switching off, and if you switch on again, you are in normal measurement mode. You can connect the device and do measurements. You can enter in the bootload mode by pressing this button and powering on the system. So you entered now in the bootload mode. This is the first step. In the second step, you are updating the firmware. For this, here in the application directory, subdirectory firmware update, you will find this update utility. If the device is in this bootload mode, you can connect to the device, then load the firmware. This firmware 48, what we will upload in the system, and press program. This firmware updating process takes about 10 seconds. So it is finished, and the device is now in a normal measurement mode. So you can connect to the device, and in the output you see it is a version 48. So in this way you have updated the firmware in the device.